Hello, I'm Catherine Wang, your travel expert at Asia Odyssey Travel. This is my digital avatar. With more than 10 years of experience, I've helped over 800 clients transform their journeys from simple sightseeing into meaningful, life-enriching adventures. My work has taken me to more than 20 countries, from trekking the Himalayan trails of Tibet and Nepal to exploring Egypt's Nile heritage hotels, giving me first-hand insights to design trips that are both seamless and deeply immersive. I believe the best journeys balance comfort with discovery. Beyond the iconic landmarks like Sri Lanka's Sigiriya Rock or Nepal's Buddhanath Stupa, I focus on weaving in special moments, such as a private meeting with a Tibetan Thangka artist, a sunrise meditation with Cambodian monks, or a family-friendly cultural workshop in Bhutan. Clients value my detail-oriented approach and risk-proof planning. Whether it's reworking a trip within hours during a political crisis or anticipating altitude challenges for families, I ensure every traveler feels safe, cared for, and inspired. For me, travel is about creating memories that last for years. Let's design your next unforgettable journey together with Asia Odyssey Travel.